Ugly man time. Follow me on Instagram, you see it. Yes, and banner also, but subscribe me to my YouTube channel. Also, talk the truth. We come here to talk the truth today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can always see me video them. Whole heap of video over there. Just go over there and just subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see it? Right now we're gonna talk about alkaline and squash. Right now, people that say squash song a fuckery. You see it? But when they can't say squash song a fuckery. Squash song is a good song, but it don't match up to alkaline song. You see it? Squash song a good song, but and any artist can go in the studio go do squash song. And any artist can do squash and do match up to alkaline. You see it? A clash alkaline. Popcorn. Try for clash alkaline. And and the people then say me run can't manage pressure. You understand? But squash stand up and I mash up to a stand up and I match up to alkaline and I squash alkaline. You see it? But here we go. Squash, you see song where you do. Me not say fuckery. You see it? But you try. You see it? You try but you not say fuckery song. But guess what? I just two more punch you do in a song. Fit punch down alkaline. You see it? But the song go on. Your song can play a dance from people. A bad man song that. You see it? Bad man song. You see it? But alkaline song, you have to play alkaline song for 2 times, 3 times, if you listen to what alkaline I say. You understand? Alkaline sound like you that run off a rhythm. You see it? To me. You see it? Run off a rhythm. You see it? But alkaline song you have to listen to 2 times. I put the phone all up in your ears for hear what alkaline I say. But squash song, you have to just play it 1 time and hear flow, anything. All the lyrics them hear 1 time. You see it? Nothing I like. Uh, Squash song sound bad. You see it? Bad. But it don't match up to say, yo, alkaline squash song better than alkaline song. No. Two of them depend on the level. Two songs them depend on the same level. You see it? Because the two songs them short or something. You see it? Yeah. But here we go on. Right now, more to see where alkaline will come with. You see it? Because alkaline have to reply. You see it? Alkaline, say if alkaline don't reply, alkaline I run from the war. You see it? Squash come back better. You see it? Come back better. Strong, full force. You see it? Yeah. And you see it? But people, me give them one. You see it? I squash in the first round, alkaline in the second round. Make me know what you think. You see it? Comment.